it's Mitch and Matt here. We're doing a bike check / update review on my United Supreme I got a while ago. It's a bit dirty, but all in all it's a good bike. So let's get started. I'll start with my wheels. I've got Mankind hubs, front and back. Odyssey spokes and nipples, chrome. They're laced to a Colony rims. Tires, I've got Maxxis grifters. I've got a male back hub and a female front. I've got Odyssey pedals, United cranks, a Colt chain, and an Odyssey sprocket. And bottom bracket is Black Label, because I didn't have the money to get a new one, so I just got that one. Works good for now. I'll get a Colt one later. I've got a United Supreme seat. That's just what comes on it every time. Moving on, know that it's an integrated seat clamp and United seat post. My headset is Salt. I've got a United stem that's stock. Probably I need to change that. A Colony compression bolt. United bars. I need to change them. They're stock. And then United grips. I changed those. And my forks are United, and my frame's United. That's pretty well it. Oh, and yeah, I got some stickers on it. Next video we'll be on either my new bike, my Fire and Embreeze bike, or Mitchell's bike. So yeah.
Colony Sweet Tooth or Castaway.
So yeah. So that's it. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and see you next video. See ya.